In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize in Photopea without losing quality using one of the best methods for keeping your image sharp and editable. If you've ever resized a layer and noticed it got blurry, pixelated, or soft when you scaled it back up, this is exactly the fix you need. This technique is perfect for logos, photos, graphics, and any layer you may want to shrink or enlarge later without destroying the original detail. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open your project in Photopea and look at the Layers panel. If you're working with an individual image or layer inside a design, the biggest mistake you can make is just scaling it normally over and over again. When you do that, Photopea can permanently discard pixel data as the layer gets smaller, which is why it becomes blurry if you try to make it larger again later. To avoid that, right-click on the image layer you want to resize. From the menu that appears, choose Convert to Smart Object. This is the key step. A smart object protects the original full-resolution source, so even when you transform it, the quality stays much better than a normal raster layer. Once the layer has been converted, you can resize it safely. Press Command Option and T on Mac or Control Alt and T on Windows to open Free Transform. You'll now see transform handles around your layer. From here, click and drag one of the corner handles to resize the image. As you drag, hold Shift if needed to keep the proportions correct and avoid stretching the image. That way your resize stays clean and natural instead of distorted. If you want to make it smaller, drag inward. If you want to enlarge it, drag outward. The important thing is that the smart object keeps your source quality protected much better than a normal layer. When you're happy with the size, press Enter to apply the transformation. At this point, your layer will be resized, but the original detail remains preserved inside the smart object, which means you can come back and adjust it again later without starting over. This is especially useful if you're designing thumbnails, banners, social media graphics, or any project where you might need to keep changing the size as you refine the layout. Instead of risking blurry results, you can resize with confidence and maintain a much cleaner look. So if you want to resize in Photopea without losing quality, the best method is to convert the layer to a smart object first, then use Free Transform to scale it properly. It's fast, simple, and it keeps your edits non-destructive. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.